many of us have seen it. As I said earlier, I can't unsee the video. The police has done what they could do, and we have seen the gap in that law. The Jamaica Labour Party has taken their own action that they think is appropriate. The Parliament now has a responsibility. And I believe that those of us in Parliament have some questions that Jamaicans want answered. Have we spoken to one of our colleagues who it is alleged was the gentleman in the video? What do we know? When did we know it? I suspect that we have a choice of how and where and when we answer those questions. But I know that Jamaicans are looking for those answers. And I know that Jamaicans are going to render a verdict in terms of the credibility of our answers. And I would want to make sure that our actions match our words. I believe that we are at a crossroads. I don't believe we can unring this bell. I believe that it falls on our shoulders, regardless of what has happened in the past, and those that are present that we want to pull into the net, feel free to do so. But I believe that this is where we must draw the line.